Into the world. You see, before you go into catfish farming, there's one thing I want to tell you, and it's very important. Make sure you learn it. If you don't learn it, you're gonna regret it. Before you go into catfish farming, make sure you learn it very well. You will regret it if you don't learn it. That's why some people will tell you that they stocked fish, and all of a sudden, you start noticing that it's dying. That's one of the things that you notice when you start, if you start catfish farming and you did not learn it very well. Definitely, the fish will be dying, and you'll be wondering what is happening to your fish. Learn it. In fact, any business that you want to go into, learn it. And you see catfish farming, learn it very well. If you're looking for where to learn it, you can check my videos and also subscribe to this channel. And even in this YouTube, you can as well learn it from other people that are teaching about catfish farming. If you don't know where to learn it physically, just learn it online. YouTube is enough for you to learn catfish farming. Don't just dive into catfish farming without learning it.